And I didn't even do anything to the wig yet, period. Hi fairies, and welcome back to my channel. It's Laresia Andrea. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my lazy 5-minute wig install routine. I am on my way to the mall. I had to pick up some things because I'm going to be taking a quick trip to Detroit to see my family for a couple of days. I need a few things to pick up, so I'm going to be throwing a wig on. The wig I'm going to be wearing today is going to be from RPGSHOW Lifestyle. They are actually the sister company to RPGSHOW. I feel as though they're like more affordable because RPGSHOW's wigs can be a bit pricey sometimes depending on the type of design of the wig, color of the wig, or just the length of the wig itself. RPGSHOW Lifestyle is a little bit more on the affordable side of that. The most expensive wig I've seen from them is definitely like $300, and it is because it was like a longer length, but the wig they sent me today is about in the $200 range. This is the wig they sent me, and I know you can't really see what the wig really looks like, but it's actually a wolf cut designed wig. The wolf cut is, I believe, it's like from the 70s to 80s, maybe even the 90s. It's like a very trendy cut that a lot of just people in general are doing right now. So not only did they send me the wig in the packaging, but they also sent me stocking caps, and they also sent me a wig band that I'm probably not, or maybe I should, because my hair is super short. My head is like a little pea head right now because I don't got no hair to kind of, you know what I'm saying? So maybe I should kind of like pull this back. We are doing a bang today, but I want to make sure you're not able to really see like my hairline or anything. So one thing I want to show you guys, you know, I got to give you guys the details all the time. The wig does come with an elastic band attached. It also comes with combs inside of the wig, and the knots are pre-bleached. I'm going to show you guys a close-up of what the scalp looks like because it is like super flawless. It's not any black knots or anything. Lord. So the headband that I have on definitely helps because I do have a super bald head right now. Definitely needs some type of control. But for first glance, sis, this is cute, okay? With my makeup, like, oh, this is so damn cute. And I didn't even do anything to the wig yet, period. Sissiana, sissy. I was a little bit nervous because you guys know, like, when it comes to certain cut trends, certain wigs work for other people more than some. They work for some people more than others. Clearly, I effed that up. But honey, like, I just feel like this just goes with my whole vibe. Like, this is so freaking cute. And I'm gonna take my flat iron and I only put it on 390 degrees. Oh, other way. 390 degrees. One other thing I do want to show you guys is what the scalp looks like because it just looks really natural. Yeah, I don't have a wig cap on, but I do want to show you guys what the scalp does look like just in case someone does not have a wig cap on and they want to just go without it anyway. Definitely going to fix these bangs. They cute right out the bag or whatever, but I need to do a little bit of work on these. Ooh, but look at this hairline though, sis. Stop playing. I kind of almost want to get another wig from them just to see like if I'm able to just rock a hairline without doing nothing to it, because the whole purpose of RPGSHOW Lifestyle, I guess, is to showcase that you do not have to do anything to these wigs when you take it out the box. That statement can kind of go either way because you have to do something to these wigs, but I think their whole purpose is they want it to be effortlessly lazy. It's me, something that you can really do within 5 to 10 minutes, because sometimes these wigs be taking me like half an hour, 2 hours tops sometimes to really install and have it looking flawless. So when I can just find something and I can just literally throw it right on and not have to worry about anything, especially the airport. I'm just saying, if y'all see me in this wig tomorrow at the airport, at the Detroit airport, just know where the video came from, okay? So I'm gonna just do a few little bumps. Stop it. I don't want to do too bumpy, you know? I still want it to be like effortless. Bro, this is so cute. It's like I don't want to do too much. I just like the effortlessness of this as I'm still like flipping and curling and everything else. Let me definitely fix this because I don't know what's going on over here. I've never used a headband for my wigs, underneath my wigs, but I think because my hair is so short and I'm practically bald, I am gonna have to start using something because these wigs are not made for 20-inch size head circumferences like mine. So I am happy that they did send a wig headband too, because it would have probably been sliding all over my head if they didn't. So I pretty much am done with fluffing and just slightly curling any areas that was kind of looking a little bit cray-cray. I just love how natural this scalp looks without me even wearing anything. I'm just going to take a little bit of my Sebastian spray because there are some flyaways that's not doing it for me right here. Much better. Now I have this hat. They got me this hat, a part of like some of my Christmas things. I am thinking that I kind of want to put this hat on. I just want to see what it's gonna look like. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is giving. This is giving. Listen, this is definitely like errand running, trying to look slightly decent and cute, doing a little like tomboy shopping vibes, okay? On my little emo-ish right now. I just wanted to see what it was going to look like, just kind of give myself options. It's doing it for me. It's doing something I never know I needed. So my final thoughts, number one, on just the RPGSHOW lifestyle brand in general, I think it is super good that they are giving another option to the RPGSHOW quality. I do know that My First Wigs is another sister company to RPGSHOW, but the fact that they have something pretty much like in between both of those qualities. My First Wigs is a little bit more on like the beginner side. Their quality is a lot more like affordable or cheaper, if you can say. And then RPGSHOW is more on like the luxury, the more elite, the better quality, the fuller wigs. So the fact that they have something like RPGSHOW Lifestyle that is kind of like the similarities of the affordableness from My First Wigs, but then it still has that RPGSHOW quality. The fact that they married those two together, I think is like genius. As I said, the price of this wig is around in the $200 range. It's a 14-inch wolf cut, throw on and go type of wig. And you guys saw just from this video, I threw this ish on and I'm about to be out the door. I literally just did a few little bumps of curls in the front from my banging and it just is so lit. I literally took it right out the back and it looked like this and I didn't have to do much to it at all. This is actually my first time wearing a wolf cut wig and I have to say this looks so cute. Most likely I'm wearing this to the airport tomorrow, so if y'all see me you already know, period. Thank you so much to RPGSHOW Lifestyle for sponsoring this video, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Let me know if you guys love this wig. As always, I love you guys. I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.